This is homework assignment number 6 for Eegr 409 with Dr. Nariko. In this assignment, we were to set up a program for us to run a robot such as the picker robots at Amazon on a grid pattern. We start off with us declaring the function row and setting its parameters. And then after setting the function and its parameters, which is row B, row E, row begin, row end, you declare the variables and initialize using if-else statements. So if row begin is less than row end, you return and add the row begin. Like you go back to the beginning and add another row. If row begin equals row end, you just return to the row. Or if row beginning is greater than row end, you go back a row from the row beginning. Following that, you then go to declaring the column function and setting its parameters, and do the same process as you did with the row. In other words, to set up the grid for it to move back and forward or stay the same. After which, now that you have your function set up for you to have the robot move forward or backwards, up or down. Whoops. We're going to Control Z that because I made a mistake. Control Z. Oops, I'm doing too much. Anywho, yeah. So, after you've done that, move up or down, side to side, etc., etc., you want to set your main function. Your main function for this is going to be, again, with you setting your parameters, is how it's going to read the direction in which you want the robot to go, be up, down, side to side. It takes that information and creates the grid pattern. And then using that prints out your information of steps, which I have my print statements for, and so on and so forth, saying pick the beginning steps, ending point. Then you again declare your variable what I equals and go from there. So we're going to run this program. Initially, this program was set up for us to do with a set parameters of 1 and 0, and then 4 and 5. And whoops, press enter, and there's my steps. To tell you the steps of how to move in the grid pattern. This way, like all the way to the end, and way to go. Now, extra credit for this assignment was just to make it move outside of the expected results. With all backwards, doesn't matter whatever I put in, it'll go to the end. So for those points, 4 and 1, enter, 0 and 3. Oops, not 2, 3. We have that, and once again, it goes that way, in which case this went in reverse back to that point. And this concludes my video.